Well, how are you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a collector radio. It's only 5 transistors. It's an Admiral PR-251, AM only, uses a 9-volt battery. He said it's only good for local stations, and he got it for $18 off of eBay about 5 years ago. There's a close up of it. Tuning dial is right there. There's the tuning knob, on off volume, and earphone jack. It's pretty darn good condition. It don't have the battery all the way in. The battery's pretty tight. So we're just gonna try it out here real quickly. I'll have to face it this way because the stations are that way. So we'll turn it on here. And we'll tune all the way down to the bottom of the band. I gotta turn the volume down some. And like I say, I gotta face it this way.
Ideological movement has. Not civilians. Civilians are
Pretty
not
tinny.
dying at those rates, thank God. But
Tiny
the
speaker.
ideological movement has a problem that there isn't.
What's amazing is the newer portable radios like this have a tiny speaker, but the sound is terrific. They've actually done a good job of developing speakers.
Algeria kicked out the French after 8 years of...
History awaits. The NBA playoffs on ESPN Radio.
Picking up quite a few local stations because we have a lot in our area.
The average time last year.
Got tuned in.
To get that down even a little bit more, so I think we'll probably look at maybe like 2:30. We might go down.
There we
to
go.
when it's all said and done after this year. I love the pitch clock. As far as the lineup,
Very
I
directional.
can relate as a Mets fan.
These big companies are becoming used to this.
Yeah, it's picking up a lot of stations.
Oils and everything.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely
Whoa.
a good fishing area from Google Maps. It looks fun. So, how would someone find it?
SBJnews.com/JOY.
Are you a victim of the timeshare trap?
We're up to about the top of the band.
Financial Group, the original.
I have.
Oh, there's a station there someplace.
It's just not right.
Yeah, I'm pretty amazed. It picked up quite a few local stations. You see, yeah, I was going to say, I'll see if I can get this cover off. That was easy enough. Like I say, the battery's kind of snug there. I may not have it oriented absolutely perfect. Let me get. It'd be nice if I put it in front of the camera. Pretty small circuit board, 5 transistor. In very good shape, tiny medium wave antenna. But I think it does a pretty good job of local stations for what it is. Very small, as you can see, it fits in the palm of my hand. That's about it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. And I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these shows, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm presenting shows that you're interested in and not wasting your time. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. I'm heading towards 17,000 subscribers. That number doesn't mean anything to me. I just thought I'd let you know. Have a good day. Bye-bye.